other pair of opposite sides are not parallel. They can be equal also. AD not parallel to BC. Quadrilateral is further categorized into parallelogram, trapezium and kite based on the sides. A quadrilateral with opposite sides are parallel and equal is specially called as parallelogram. Next, a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel but not equal is called a trapezium. A quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides are equal but not parallel is called a kite. Properties of kite. A, B, C, D is a kite. Then AB is equals to AD and BC is equals to CD. We talk about here only sides. Now we talk about diagonal. When I talk about diagonals, AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular to BD. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And also, they are suppose meeting at O. Then BO is equals to OD. ABCD is a kite, for example, and AB is equals to AD, one pair of adjacent sides are equal, and BC is equals to CD, other pair of adjacent sides are equal, and AC and BD are diagonals here, and they are perpendicular to each other, AC perpendicular to BD, and also BO is equals to OD, that is one pair of diagonal is bisected. Angle B is equals to angle D as well. Arm angles are equal. Trapezium nothing but it's a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel, but not equal. Other pair of opposite sides are not parallel. They can be equal also. AD not parallel to BC. Angle A plus angle B is 180, which is also equals to angle B plus angle C. Why? AB parallel to CD, right? If AB parallel to CD, then BC acts as a transversal, and angle B and angle B and angle C acts as co-interior angles or allied angles. They are supplementary, no? That's why 180. And also here, D and A acts as co-interior angles. So the sum is also 180. What about diagonals then? Diagonals do not bisect and also not equal. Isosceles, trapezium. So isosceles talks about two equal sides. Two sides are equal. So in triangle, two sides are equal. Then that is considered as isosceles triangle. Now isosceles trapezium also. Here we only talk about the two sides again. So isosceles trapezium figure is this. Now P, Q, R, S. Now PQ parallel to SR and PS is equals to QR. See, two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then that is called as isosceles, no? Now that's why it is a trapezium. With two sides are equal. So therefore it is isosceles trapezium. Properties are PQ parallel to SR but not equal. And next we talk about the other sides like PS not parallel to QR but equal. PS not parallel to QR but equal. We're done with sides now. We talk about angles. Angle P plus angle S is equals to 180, which is equals to angle Q plus angle R. If we talk about diagonal, PR is equals to QS, which is angles are equal also. Angle P is equals to angle Q and angle S is equals to angle R. Upper two and lower two angles are equal. Diagonals equal but do not bisect. Just the properties one by one. What is first property? First we talk about the main property. That is two pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. One pair is AB and CD. So parallel and AB is equals to CD. So this is first property. Then second property, AD parallel to BC and AD is equals to BC. Yeah, AD is equal to BC. Parallel also, equal also. Okay. Third property.